This is going to be a quick little video here. This is a 4-step buttonhole. First, take your fabric, fold it in half, measure over 1/2 inch from each edge to create your buttonhole. You don't want to have it at least sit 1/2 inch from the edge. This is a Necchi sewing machine. This is 3 different positions, A and C, B, and then a D setting. So we'll be rotating between those. Going to go ahead and get your presser foot that comes with the machine typically. Hold your button up, figure out which line that you're going to sew to. Usually want to go on the slightly larger side, and you always want to practice. This little foot goes up and down. You see there's little red lines. Those little red lines on that foot are going to match up to the line length that we want to make. So using the little scale there. So I'm going to adjust that to about the 3rd line from the top. Line up my dot underneath it. Make sure my foot and dot, the slide foot part, is aligning up. Rotate my needle so it's close in there to where the dot is. Lower down the foot. Going to click over to setting A. And do this setting just a few times. You want maybe 4 or 5 stitches. Anything more than that will build up a big old knot, and after that it will not move. After that, click over to step B, like so. And then it should start moving on its own. If it's not, then you possibly did the step A a little too long and it's built up a knot and the foot won't run over it. So go until the little red line matches the bottom down there. Once it's done that, rotate your needle to the top. Always make sure it's up as you click your needle positioning. Click over to C. Do 4 or 5 of those. Rotate your needle to the top again. Click over to D. Go backwards here until you line the line on the foot up to the measurement lines on the left of the side of the presser foot. Once you get there, try not to go past it. Leave your needle up, click back to A, and put about 3 stitches in there, 2 or 3, to finish a little knot. There's your buttonhole. Go ahead and clip up your threads, and then use one of the methods to slice that open. I demonstrated it in my other videos.